Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers and watchers. I hope all of you are very well and welcome back to my new lesson. Today I wish to talk about a new verb and its meaning, similar words and dissimilar words with correct pronunciation. To learn these lessons, don't skip this video. Watch this video till the last and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the new videos. Let's get started. The word Abash is a verb. According to international phonetic alphabets, the correct pronunciation of this word is Abash. Abash. I have already provided some IPA beside the verb. And if you have enough knowledge about IPA, you will be able to pronounce this word correctly. The original meaning of this word, to make someone feel embarrassed or ashamed. You got the point? In Bengali, কাউকে লজ্জিত করা, বিব্রত করা এবং অপ্রস্তুত করা. Let me give an example to clear this verb. I was abashed in class for not being able to answer the question. That means আমি ক্লাসে কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সার দিতে না পেরে লজ্জিত হয়েছিলাম, বিব্রত হয়েছিলাম. You got the point? My dear viewers, it's time to share some similar words of Abash. Number 1, disconcert. Disconcert. In American accent, the letter R will be pronounced a little disconcerted, but in British accent, letter R will not be pronounced like disconcert. Number 2, discomfit. Discomfit, and I have already provided some IPA beside the verb, and you will be able to pronounce correctly using this IPA. Number 3, discompose. 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 Number 4, embarrass. Embarrass. It's time to share some dissimilar words of Abash with correct pronunciation. And you have already known the meaning of Abash, and just I'm going to share the opposite meaning of Abash. Number 1, inspire. Inspire means to encourage someone. And the correct pronunciation of this word is inspire in British English and American English, inspire. Number 2, encourage. Encourage. Number 3, Hearten. 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 And here the letter R will not be pronounced too in British English. But in American English, you can pronounce R in this word lightly, light, like Hearten, Hearten. My dear viewers, if you like my video, please support me, subscribe my channel and give me some suggestions how can I improve the quality of my video and how can I make good video. And if you want to learn some rules for speaking, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch the all videos of my channel. And if you wanna learn how to practice English with native speakers, of course you should subscribe the channel that I will provide on the description box. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.